Now the next is physiological adaptations. Some organisms they possess adaptations that are physiological which allow them to respond quickly to a stressful situation. If we have visited near Rohtang Pass in Manali and Mansarovar in China occupied Tibet, the persons visiting there they feel altitude sickness. The symptoms of altitude sickness are nausea, fatigue, heart palpitations, etc. because there is low atmospheric pressure at higher altitudes, and the body at higher altitudes it does not get enough oxygen, and body compensates this low oxygen availability by increasing in the number of RBC production, decreasing the binding capacity of hemoglobin, and increasing the breathing rate. This is the reason why people living in the mountain area or living in higher altitudes they are very fair and pinkish. Their skin color is pinkish. Why? Because they have more number of RBCs and they have decreased binding capacity to hemoglobin and they have increased breathing rate. ये सब क्यों होता है? क्योंकि वहाँ पे there is deficiency of oxygen. So the individuals they adapt, they survive in that habitat where there is oxygen deficiency by these physiological adaptations. Another example is in most animals the metabolic reactions and all the physiological functions they take place at a narrow temperature range. For human beings that temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Microbes like archaebacteria which can flourish in hot water springs and deep sea hydrothermal vents where the temperature is as high as 100 degrees Celsius. कैसे सर्वाइव कर पाते हैं वो इतने हाई टेम्परेचर पे? These archaebacteria they are also called thermophiles. Thermophiles means they are adapted to such higher temperatures. They can survive in deep sea hydrothermal vents where the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius because of their structural difference. जो इनकी सेल मेम्ब्रेन है, वी नो दैट द सेल मेम्ब्रेन क्या स्ट्रक्चर था इसका? इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ a phospholipid bilayer which is sandwiched between the protein layers. यानी दो phospholipid layers थी which were sandwiched between the protein bilayers. तो ये जो phospholipids हैं इनके जो ये phospholipid layer है it is special. It has got some special properties which enable them to survive in higher temperatures as high as 100 degrees Celsius. Many fish which live in Antarctic water where the temperature is always below zero, how they can survive there? These fishes which live in water bodies where the temperature is below zero by accumulating एंटी फ्रीजिंग प्रोटीन. इनकी बॉडी में एक एंटी फ्रीज प्रोटीन होता है ग्लिसरॉल जो कि इतने कम टेम्परेचर पर भी फ्रीज नहीं होता एंड दिस हेल्प्स इन लोअरिंग द फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट एंड द फिश दे आर एबल टू सर्वाइव at a temperature below 0 degrees Celsius. Another example is a large variety of marine invertebrates and fish which live at great depths in ocean where the pressure is 100 times more than the atmospheric pressure. How they are able to survive?